basically we're installing the restaurant units, 9.5 meters units, 2.5 ton, so fairly heavy, fairly big. This is the top floor, the restaurant area. They are the biggest unit that Fokker ever produced and installed as well. So it's quite a prestigious moment even for us. It's been quite challenging because of the logistic of it, because of the space that they take on site, and the fact that we have to liaise with all the logistic on this side as well with the other trades. Also at the level of the installation, quite heavy unit to install as well. A lot of work has been input into it, but at the moment we are installing. Yesterday we installed 12. We are installing 4 more today, going into 4 more later on this evening. So over the weekend we try to install as much as we can, taking use of the beautiful weather that is coming on the weekend, that allow us to install all these restaurant units. So hopefully when everyone is back at work on Monday, we'll have a big part of these units in, which will be wonderful.